he's gonna put the captain on.
Oh, we already left? I thought they would leave first.
Now they're putting the captain on right now.
The captain? How did you know?
Huh? No, they're gonna put the captain back on the ship.
We were over there.
They're taking him off now.
We were over there. We were over there.
Oh yeah, they're putting this captain of this ship back on the ship now. Yeah.
Captain of our ship?
Yes.
Where is he?
He's getting on the ship right now.
From where?
From that. Oh, now they're taking the other captain off. Yeah. Okay.
What?
So they all take turns driving.
Okay.